Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change username on Temu. If you're trying to change your username for Temu, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open the Temu application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. After you are logged in, from the main home page, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. In the U option, tap on your profile picture at the top left, and under Profile, tap on the pencil icon right next to your name. Now, tap on the Name option and erase your current name and type in the new name you would like to change to. Once you are done entering your new name, tap on Save, and that is how you can easily change your username on Temu. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.